Go ahead.
Cheese!
Come see your brother. He's right there, baby.
Look at it.
I see you.
You can go look. Be careful.
Do you got a brother? And he's just your brother?
He's waking up.
Yeah.
He's waking up.
Okay, go inside.
He's
He yawns.
Yes.
Okay, come on.
You can go in.
He said hi.
Did he say hi?
Yes. Aww, he's so cute.
Yeah.
Who's
Wake up, Gavin. Wake up, Gavin. Wake up. Oh, he's crying.
Yes, he is.
Oh, he's cute.
Tell him who you are. Say, I'm your sister. What?
Hi, little buddy. I'm taking care of him. I'm gonna take care of him. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Oh. Oh. Goodness. What's wrong, gal?
I'm trying to calm him down, but I don't know how to calm him down.
I don't know how to calm him down either. I think he's hungry.
I think he's hungry, and we need to feed him a bottle.
We need to feed him a bottle, Mama. Do we have a bottle?
Yes, we do.
It's right there.
Oh, can you, Leah, see that bottle there? Can you bring it for me? Oh, I know.
I can feed him by myself.
You better let Daddy do it.
No, I'm the
I know. You better let Daddy do the feeding.
What?
do it.
Okay, come sit here. Come sit here on Daddy.
Tell me.
Let me help you. We'll do it together, okay? Don't push it. Don't push it. Let him get it. There you go. Oh, there we go.
He's waiting.
What do you think, Leah?
Yes.
Oh, do we have the rack?
Yeah. Can you get the towel for Daddy? It's over here.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Want some more, Dad? Hey, check out.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, give one to Daddy.
Oops. Ah, thank you. Thank you, big sister.
You're welcome. Tipo, he woke up in his crib.
Well, do you like him?
Yeah. He liked the same shit.
All right, we'll give him a kiss. And say, love you, Gavin.
I'm a girl, but I'm not a mommy. I'm not a mommy.
You're not a mommy?
I'm not a mommy.
Did you tell him you're his big sister?
Oh, what is this?
It's his passy.
See?
It's his pacifier.
What is it for?
He likes to suck on it like a bottle, but it has no food in it.
No food in it?
No. No milk.
Nope.
Okay. All right, can you give him one more kiss for mommy?
What is this one for?
It's to get his boogies out.
To get his boogie
Because he can't blow his nose like a big girl.
like this.
Yeah, but don't put it in your nose.
I'm not putting nose. He got
Okay, we'll give him one more kiss for mommy.
oh.
And say, I love you.
That's why he's so funny.
All right.